Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today we'll start a new topic, that is chances and probability. Right now, so this topic is very important right now. So let us discuss. So students, here we will discuss about chances and probability. Right now, so before going to discuss chances and probability, let us discuss some examples in our day-to-day life or daily life. Right now, suppose you go to watch a cricket base, and before the begins of the match, both the team have the equal chance of winning the match, and also you can see there the supporter of both the team expect that their team will win the match. Right now, here is an example of chances. The both will expect that their team will win the match, so the winning chance of their team is highest. Right now, suppose let us consider another example. You can see that these are rainy days, and whenever you are going outside, you just carry an umbrella or a raincoat or raincoat. Right now, so why you do so? Because you think there may be a chance of raining, so that you bring with them. Right now, suppose let us discuss another example. One day what happened, you just forget to bring the rain over and umbrella with you, and on that day the rain started. So in our day-to-day life there are many such situations in which we have to take a chance or risk. Right now, तो ऐसे बहुत सारे हमारे डे टू डे लाइफ में क्या होता है, ऐसे सिचुएशंस आता है जहाँ हमें कुछ चांस लेना पड़ता है। जैसे कि हमें देखते हैं कि अभी बाहर धूप में कपड़े नहीं सुखाते हैं क्योंकि कभी भी बारिश हो सकता है। मान लो कुछ दिन तक वेदर क्लियर रह गया है, तो हम क्या करते हैं, कभी कभी रात में बाहर रख देते हैं। तो हम लोग एक रिस्क लेते हैं, एक चांस लेते हैं, द मे नॉट बी रेनिंग इन द लास्ट नाइट। सो चांसेस क्या होता है एक्चुअली? चांस मीन्स इट इज़ द ऑकरेंस ऑफ एन इवेंट। एक इवेंट होने का जो ऑकरेंस है इन एब्सेंस ऑफ एनी ओबियस इंटेंशन और कॉज। कोई भी कारण के बिना कोई भी इवेंट होता है, दैट इज अ चांस। यू नो, probability is different thing. It is a vast thing. We'll discuss it later. So let us discuss different chances of events. So different events are there. अलग अलग events है, अलग अलग घटनाएं हैं जो होने का चांस रहता है। जैसे कि देयर विल बी रेन टू नाइट, ये भी एक चांस है। वेदर डिपार्टमेंट फोरकास्ट करते हैं कि आज बारिश होने वाला है, तो देयर में भी एक चांस रहता है। सपोज यू आर प्लेइंग ए बोर्ड with your friend right now. On rolling a die, can you predict that the result on, can you get exactly the number that you choose? मतलब जो तुम सोच रहे हो वही आएगा बोल के तुम बता सकते हो क्या? नो, नेवर। सच टाइप ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट्स आर नोन एज रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट। राइट नाउ, जो हमारे हिसाब से नहीं होता है, देयर मे बी अ चांस, कुछ भी हो सकता है, तो उस टाइप का एक्सपेरिमेंट को क्या कहते हैं हम लोग? रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट बोल के कह सकते हैं। राइट नाउ, so let us discuss the type of chances right now. So events can be of two types. uh, One be of possible events and another one be as impossible events. So let us discuss impossible events. Impossible events किसे कहेंगे? For example, if today is Sunday, tomorrow will be Tuesday, is it possible? No, it is not possible. So impossible events are like that. So if you roll a die, then the occurrence of 7, can it possible? No, it is not possible. So this type of experiments or events are known as impossible events. Like the sun will rise in the west, sun कभी west में rise होगा? नहीं हो सकता. So these kinds of events are known as impossible events. Right now, next come to the possible events. Possible events can be of two types. Right now, so what are those? One is sure events, and another one be a random event or certain event. Right now, sure events means if the occurrence of an event is 100%, then we can say that there is a sure event. जो भी events होने का probability 100% है, we can expect 100%, then it be a sure events. And random events we just discussed that if you roll the die, then you cannot predict or say that exactly the number what will come. So sure events का क्या हो सकता है? If today is Sunday, then you can say that tomorrow will be Monday. That is sure event. Right now, the sun will rise in the east. That is also sure event. ये जो 100% ट्रू है, जो होने का संभावना पॉसिबिलिटीज 100% है, इसको हम लोग क्या कह सकते हैं? श्योर इवेंट बोल के कह सकते हैं. एंड रैंडम इवेंट्स, जैसे कि इफ़ यू टॉस अ कॉइन, देन what will be the chance of getting a head? It is a certain event or random event. It may be head or it may be tail. You cannot surely say that it will be head or tail right now. So students, what is the range of the probability? The range of probability is 0 is greater than equal to x is greater than equal to 1. If the possibilities of event is 100%, then we can say that it is 1. एंड इफ़ द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ इवेंट इज़ 0%, देन जो कि इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट्स है उसका प्रोबेबिलिटी है 0. एंड इफ इट इज़ अ रैंडम इवेंट, देन वी कैन से दैट इट इज़ एक्स. इसमें 50-50 चांसेस रहता है. जहाँ जैसे कि हम एक डाई रोल करते हैं, उस टाइम 3 आने का पॉसिबिलिटीज़ कितना है? 50-50 चांस. देन स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस हाउ टू फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एन इवेंट राइट नाउ. So students, probability of the event can be find is, let us discuss P of E, that is probability of an event is equal to number of possible outcomes by total number of outcomes right now. So let us discuss. If we toss a coin, then what is the probability of getting a head? Let us discuss. If we toss a coin, and what is the probability of getting a head? So now you can see that if we toss a coin, then what are the possible outcomes? So what are the total number of outcomes? That is head. And now you can see there what are the total outcomes, that it may be head or it may be tail. There is no other thing that will come if we toss a coin. So the total number of outcomes is head and tail. So total number of outcomes is equal to 2 right now. Next, number of possible outcomes at once. एक साथ क्या आ सकता है? either head or tail. ऐसे तो नहीं हो सकता है कि एक साथ दो ठो आ सकता है head और tail. So number of possible outcomes at once is equal to either head or tail. So number of possible outcomes at once is equal to 1. Now probability of the event or probability of getting a head is equal to number of possible outcomes at once is equal to 1, and total number of outcomes here is equal to 2. So it may be, so it is equal to 1 by 2. Again, probability of getting a tail, it is also 1 by 2 right now. In this way we can find the probability of an event. Let us discuss another example. If we roll a die, then what is the probability of getting a number 3? What is the probability of getting a number 3 right now? So you can see there what are the total outcomes whenever you are rolling a die. Then the total number of outcomes are, here we can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the outcomes which you find after rolling a die. So the total number of outcomes is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of outcomes 6. And what are the possible outcomes at once? एक साथ कितना मिल सकता है? कोई एक नंबर, और टॉप सरफेस में जो दिखता है नंबर उसको हम कंसिडर करते हैं. सो दैट एट वंस possible outcomes is equal to 1. So number of possible outcomes at once is equal to 1. Now we can easily find the probability of getting a number 3. That is probability of getting a number 3 is equal to number of outcomes at once is equal to 1 and the total number of outcomes is equal to 6. So now we will get 6. And कोई भी नंबर पाने का probability कितना होगा? Whenever you are rolling a die, then कोई भी नंबर पाने का probability कितना होगा? 1 by 6 ही होगा right now. So let us discuss another example. So students, now you can see there here it is a spinning wheel right now, and if we spin the wheel, then what is the probability of getting a color black or getting a color green? Now let us find the probability of getting a color black right now. So how can we find this? We just use the formula, that is number of possible outcomes at once by total number of outcomes. So you can see that total number of outcomes is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total number of outcomes, here total number of outcomes is equal to 8, and number of possible outcomes at once, एक साथ क्या हम कोई भी नंबर का स्पिन करते हैं तो यहाँ ब्लैक आने का प्रोबेबिलिटी कितना है, ब्लैक तो कितने ठो है, टोटल 8 में से ब्लैक कितना है, ओनली 1. सो नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल आउटकम्स एट वंस इज इक्वल टू 1 डिवाइड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स here इक्वल टू 8. So probability of finding a number black is equal to 1 by 8. So let us find what is the probability of getting a number green. Green आने का probability कितना है, let us find. You can see that the total number of outcomes is equal to 8 and at once green कितने हो सकता है, 1 2 3 4 4 by 8 which is equal to 1 by 2. So in this way you can find the probability of an event right now. So students, for today this much. In our next class we will discuss about the next.